ज्योतिष के क्षेत्र में अपनी सफलता का परचम लहरा चुके ज्योतिष गुरु श्री के.एन. राव के हाथों मेडल से सम्मानित, अपनी सटीक भविष्यवाणी के लिए सुप्रसिद्ध और ज्योतिष अलंकार एवं ज्योतिष आचार्य अवार्ड से सम्मानित ज्योतिष आचार्य रमन जी।
Hello friends, this is Acharya Raman, Vedic astrologer since last 20 years. Today we'll do monthly horoscope for July 2021 and we'll take up the natives with Scorpio sign. And to know what is coming in July for these people with respect to their career, love and relationship, finance and health, and at the end we'll take up the remedies. So let us start friends. Regarding career, with regards to career, professional life this month will be full of ups and downs. You will be forced to work hard due to negative planetary influences and rewards would not be forthcoming. The environment at the workplace may not be very conducive for good relationships between seniors and co-workers. This will affect your performance very badly. In the first half, the Lord of 10th house, which is Sun, is placed in 8th house. Small and big obstacles will arise at work. These problems can upset your mind, so try to keep the mind calm. Also, do not keep excessive expectation. There will be disappointment in the end. Keep working with caution and wait for the better time. The Sun will change zodiac sign on the 16th with the arrival of Sun in the 9th house. When it will change sign after 16th of July, the conditions in the job will improve. For those who wish to change job or trying to change their jobs, new possibilities can be created for them. And also you can get a new job. Time will be successful for people doing business. Rahu and Mercury are conjuncting in 7th house of business. It will be very beneficial for business. There may be sudden gains and also it can open way for expansion in business. So regarding career, ups and downs in profession, hard work would be there, work environment not conducive, but good time for businessmen. Now regarding the finance part, from the finance point of view, this month can be full of ups and downs. While the first half may be financially worrying, the latter will be normal. The Sun will remain in 8th house till the 16th of July. The ruling Lord of profession, which is Sun, is in 8th house, which signifies the loss of profession. And so it can also make you bear losses in money. So loss of money is possible. Exporters and traders will find their business facing a few hardships, and also if you are into stocks and share, you will fail to make profits. Investment will fail to give you reasonable returns. After 16, the Sun will change the zodiac sign from Gemini to Cancer. In this, when it changes sign in the house of luck, this will increase your progress. You will be active in your business, and also Mars will also enter your 10th house after the 20th of July. This will bring new kind of energy and your efforts will also be successful, and then the wealth will flow in. So after that the financial situation will start recovering, but it may take some time. So regarding finance, losses in finance, no profit for traders, but later half of month situation will recover. Regarding love and relationship, July 2021 for Scorpio shows that Venus will induce passion in love relationship during this month. Mars will give the necessary motivation and desire because they are placed together, Mars and Venus. There will be good understanding between couples during the second half of the month. There will be excessive sensuality during the last week. Single persons will have great opportunities for getting into love relationship during the month. Also, there is an opportunity for them to go somewhere together. Overall, there will be lots of fun and memories to treasure. But For married people, time can be challenging, and also to keep married life on track, you will need to be very tactful. The presence of Rahu and Mercury in the 7th house can bring an increasing distance between the partners. There may be disagreement with the spouse about something. Also, there can be doubts about each other about something, since Rahu, a shadow planet, is placed in the 7th house. And also, if you are trying to hide something, then be very careful, because some of your secrets may be revealed. Also, do not let any third person or any of your relative to interfere in your marriage or married life. So, for marriage, passion in love relationship, but challenging time for married couples, and some of the secrets might get revealed. For health, overall this month is expected to be good from the health point of view. There may be complaints of some allergies, so cautious is required on your part. Also, there is need to take special cautions about drinking water especially. So, avoid contaminated water as it can prove harmful. Eat healthy and exercise, and also stress of all types should be avoided by resorting to good relaxation techniques. So for health, it is good overall, but be cautious about allergies and also avoid stress. For health and job problems, chant the mantra for Mars, which would be Om Kra Kri Kro Se Bhomai Nama. So friends, hope you did like this video, and if you did like it, please do share it and subscribe it. And if you need any consultation from me, you can WhatsApp me on 9911351351, or you can log on to www.astrologerraman.com. Thank you friends.
अगर आप भी समस्याओं से परेशान हैं और समाधान पाकर अपने जीवन को सुखमय बनाना चाहते हैं, तो जाने माने ज्योतिषाचार्य आचार्य रमन जी से मिलकर इन सभी समस्याओं का समाधान प्राप्त करें। 3341 सेक्टर 23 हुड्डा, गुड़गांव, हरियाणा 122001। हमारे कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर्स हैं 09911351351, 08130201201। हमारी वेबसाइट है www.theindianastrologer.com।